Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. And have I got something special for you? From sunrise to sunset, welcome to Villa Redonda. So let me tell you a little bit about the area, but before I do, I have to point out that this is the terrace where the sun rises in the morning. You've got these spectacular views of La Concha, and right over here you can see Gibraltar and the sea absolutely framed beautifully. So we're in Los Flamingos, and actually, if you click on the link below, we have a full area guide, but I'll give you a quick brief. So we've got 3 spectacular golf courses. We've got the world famous Villa Padierna Palace Hotel. We're only 15 minutes from Marbella Center, 10 minutes from Puerto Banus, and we've got so much more to show you. So let's continue, shall we? So we're on a plot of almost 1,400 square meters with beautiful tropical gardens. The build size itself is around 500 square meters. The property itself has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, all en suite. It's distributed on 2 levels. Actually, on this level, we've got 2 huge bedrooms, both with spectacular sea views. And down there, well, I'll show you that in a minute. Well, I'm afraid, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of another Engel Völkers property tour. But if you want to see more properties just like this, click on the link below. And I cannot wait to see you right here in Marbella very soon.